Hey Altcoin fans, thanks for joining me here on Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for Aragon's ANT token. And as always guys, hey, if you enjoy the content that I create, then as always guys, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, because why not, right? And also guys, hey, feel free to follow me here on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description down below the video. I like to talk about altcoins and NFTs all day long, so if you're into that sort of thing, you guys go ahead and give me a follow. All right, guys, so for those of you who are new to my channel or new to these long-term price prediction videos, I'm a long-term holder. I've been holding on to various coins for about 5 years now, and I don't plan to sell for a very long time. I have no reason to sell. So, I do sell occasionally. Sometimes, obviously, I like to, ride the waves, buy high, buy low, sell high. So, obviously, I do sometimes, but not always. But anyway, when I'm talking long-term here, you guys, I'm talking like, this is for long-term holders. This is for people who are holding long-term, I'm talking, at least minimum 3 years, okay? I'm not talking somebody who's holding on to a coin for 6 months or 12 months. This is for actual long-term holders, people who are investing for the long term. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. Now, I do not use technical analysis to figure out where I think the price is going to go, because technical analysis really doesn't show you, really can't tell from a chart where the price is going to go long term, as far as numbers wise. And obviously, you guys, there's no crystal ball behind me. I'm not a magician, so I can't tell you an exact number, but I can give you an overall general idea of where I think it's personally going to go from my personal opinion. So that's what this is all about. All right, guys, so Aragon is one of those projects that's been around for a very, very long time. As we can see here, you guys, the price data goes all the way back to, 2017. So, and I know it's been around longer than that. So that just goes to show you it's been around for quite some time. Overall, though, guys, Aragon currently is ranked number 349 on CoinMarketCap. It's currently trading for $4.08 at the time of filming this video, with a market cap of 161 million and a circulating supply of 39.6 million as well. So it's got a fairly low supply, honestly. Usually, when I think of a high supply coin, usually it's anything over like, anything over really like 3 billion pretty much is what I consider like, a very high circulating supply. But 39 million, that's really not too bad. And overall, guys, I personally think that, the price can do a lot better than that in the long term. So let's see here. It's all-time high. Currently, it's got an all-time high of $14.79, and that was April 6th of 2021, so $14.79. So let's see what the market cap was when it hit that. So, or, roughly, just a rough average number. So we'll take 39,600,000. 39,600,000. We're just going to round off because it's simpler, and we're going to multiply that by $14.79. So it probably had a market cap of roughly around $585 billion or million dollars around that time. So honestly, guys, me personally, judging by the looks of price action history in the past, clearly every bull run we've had, 2017, 18, and then the current one in 2021. Every bull run, it's created a new high. So that just goes to show you that it's continuing to, show new highs every time there's a bull run. So that's awesome to see. Personally, you guys, I personally think that, obviously, let's see here. Market cap back here. Let's see here. When it went to $7.70, it probably went to roughly a market cap of around 300 million, around there or so. So obviously it went up about another 250 million for this new bull run. So the next bull run, it should go up at least another 250, maybe 300 and 400 million, around that time as well. So for the sake of this video and for my long-term price prediction, you guys, we are going to see, we're going to plan it out to where hopefully the market cap can be at roughly $1.2 billion by the time it hits a new all-time high. So that's what we're going to figure, where we're going to figure our number. So we're going to do some multiplication here and see what kind of price prediction we can get based on if it went to a market cap level of 1.2 billion. So guys, let's see what happens here. So we're gonna go with 39 billion, or 39 39 39,600,000. 600,000, and we're going to multiply it by, obviously, let's see here. So we're going to double this number. We'll go with 1479. We'll double that. We'll go with $28 and see where that lands us. So times 28.00. And guys, that's going to give us a market cap of roughly $1.1 billion. That's a little short, a little shy of where I think it could go long term. So we'll try $30 real quick. So 39,600,000 again. And we're going to multiply by $30. And we've got $1.18 billion. That's about where that's roughly about where I feel comfortable, you guys. That $1.2 billion mark for a market cap is where I think it could potentially go long term. And again, guys, this could happen in the next bull run, as we can see here, you guys. 2017. And then 2020, 2021 or whatever, it went up another 250 million. The same thing could happen here. It could go up another 250 to 400 million, which would be right around, $1.2 billion market cap. And if it did, it would put the new all-time high right around, $30, which makes perfect sense. Now, let's see if just for sake here, you guys. Now, when I buy into a new long-term position, I usually spend roughly about $10,000 on a new long-term position. If the capital is available, that is. So we are going to do a test run here and see how much of an ROI you would make if you put $10,000 into this coin for the long term. So you put $10,000 in. We're going to divide that by $4.08. You're going to come out with 2,450 coins, 2,450, and we're going to go ahead and multiply that by $30. So if you were to cash out at $30 when it goes to $30 at some point in time, you're going to come out with a good $73,500. Actually, it's going to be roughly about $63,500 in total profit. Which, really, that's not that bad, you guys. Holding for the long term, and you come out with a good $60,000 profit. That's really not that bad, especially if you have other positions and other coins for the long term as well. That's really not that bad of a long term investment, in my opinion. So overall, guys, for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead with my long term price prediction of $30 long term for Aragon's ANT token. All right, guys, that pretty much does it for this video. So I'll go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, hey, before you guys leave, again, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here. You can find the link to it in the description below the video. And also, guys, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or, chatting with me or messaging with me here on Twitter.